Overview of GC Portal. Log into Client Portal from the Login button at gcglobal.choiceindia.com. Enter your credentials and complete any two-factor authentication as required. So, let's define the things you can see on your home. You can see two sections. Your portfolio information is on top, displaying a summary view of either the value or performance of your profile. And your dashboard is below. Both areas provide tip of the iceberg view of available information which you can drill down into. Client Portal adopts the use of series diagonal blue arrows. Wherever you see one means that clicking on it will take you to the relevant page for a more detailed view. Clicking the blue arrow to the portfolio positions, for example, will take you to the portfolio page. More on this later, but let's stay on the home page for now. For the section named your portfolio, click value to the upper right of the chart and choose the desired time period beneath the chart to change the time frame to see the account value displayed in the base currency of your account. Click the performance button to see performance over time. Access the benchmark drop-down menu and select the relevant benchmark stock, enabling you to compare the performance of your portfolio against it. To the left of the chart is the portfolio summary, plus you can make deposits and withdrawals to and from your account. Below this you will see the dashboard area. Entire dashboard is comprised of series of informational widgets. You may configure which widgets are displayed by clicking add and edit widgets. So now you have a snapshot view of your portfolio and your dashboard set up to your liking. Click the portfolio menu and select positions for drill down details about net liquidation, value and margin. Requirements: use the plus icon to the right. Your portfolio positions, market values and PL are displayed on the main part of the page. Beneath is displayed any available cash positions. Use the three dots to the right of your market value to make changes to the column display. Performance tab will show your portfolio positions, and to the right are the pie charts displaying portfolio allocation between long and short, and you may also drill down by sector and industry. Once again, you may add a benchmark to the main portfolio chart to the left if you wish, and use the links to change the time period on the display. The Impact dashboard allows you to access ESG impact from your portfolio called ESG Investing. By the way, if you would like to build and display some great analytical displays of your account's performance, you should check out the Portfolio Analyst tab. It's a very powerful analytical tool, and we have created an entire Traders Academy course to help you learn it and get the most from its extensive capabilities. You can see a link to the Client Portal user guide in the study notes. Thanks for joining us today.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.